Bleak, gluten free. The biggest muscle right here between the ears of the brain is that white coconut milk like jelly. You gotta use it or you'll shrink and fall off your ear. We're making the milk turns to oil, it becomes soap and much more. We cook with it, we are doing today, it turns to oil in the process of cooking. And this young man showed. Now remember, oil becomes soap and much more. You can actually today buy the oil and the milk in the stores. Probably the oil is the best choice, it's by itself. You use for your hair, your skin, oil pulling, fry your food with it, and your smoothies, bake with it. It's the best thing for you. So this young man will show us time. Gather the shredded meat with the fibers of the coconut, strain and roll them up, squeeze and make milk. He won the competition in Samoa called the squeezing competition. A very private competition, nobody heard about it. It does it with style. Watch this. Something you never forget. Look at that power. Huh? So turn here with the Hawaiian hula step to the left. Look at that, huh? To the other side, you know what I'm saying? He does it overhead, make sure the milk is all over the place. Give it up to the milkman, he delivers. You having a good time? We're gonna make fire, we're gonna compete. We'll divide you right here to two families. One family here, one family here. You're the Fa'i family, you're the Popo family. Say Fa'i. Popo.
Popo.
Fa'i. 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 Po. 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 You got it. Fa'i banana. Popo coconut. You go banana, you go nuts. These are your chefs. I'm a chief. What do you call the chief without an eye? A chef. On your mark? Yes, go! Fa'i, po, po, fa'i, po, po. Can't hear you! And the winner is... the big man. Whatever we got, we're gonna go for it. Transfer the fire to the coconut husk, dipped in gasoline. You know, there's a parking lot full of cars, just reach over the fence and dip. Everybody say fire. Fire. In Samoa, afi. 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 In Spanish. In Brazil, in French. India, ugly. Filipino, Korea, Chinese, Taiwan, Hong Kong, Vietnam. In Japan, he. Everybody say he. I don't know what she is. He is fine. He's hot.
Oh man, that is hilarious.
Have you heard of the Samoan cologne? It's free. It's like Old Spice. This is way older and spicier. If he doesn't smell like this, he doesn't cook. Don't waste your time. Don't go for looks. Go for smell. If he has both, good for you. If he has none, run for your life. If they're still looking for us, they might find us. This is the last episode of us. You do find out dancing. Fire and the knife together. In your home, you teach your children, don't touch the knife, don't go by the fire. In our homes, we put it together and give it to the child and watch them suffer. This is why I'm hot. And this man is on fire. Clap your hands, everybody clap your hands! I can't hear you! Everyone's scream! He's on the wrong tree. There's nothing up there. What's the point? So he's going to jump to the next tree and to the hospital. He's never missed a jump. You realize that? This guy never missed. Or he wouldn't be here. Everybody say jump.
Jump.
It's almost 7 feet right there. On your face. Careful, man. And the wind just